Okay, see. Get it out through the maze without hitting the walls. It starts to get weird around the fourth level, also known as the Exorcist maze. Oh man, that's delightful. I don't really know if I want to play this anymore, but Mocha sent me this game. I don't know if I want to play. Maybe I should just mute my computer. I think I will. Okay. It's on mute. The maze. Test your skills. Try to reach the goal without touching the walls. How steady is your hand? Let's find out. Try and beat all 4 levels. I am very scared right now. I think I will kill myself. Okay, play. Aw, man. I hit the wall. My hands are cheatily, so it's hard. Aw, crap! Don't make me restart. Don't make me restart. Damn it! Fuck. I suck at this game. What the crap? I didn't touch the wall though. I'm on level 2 right now. Ah! Fuck! I'm really pissed off. These games piss me off. These games very much piss me off. I'm getting up. It's go time! Yeah! Put on my game face! I have enough soda. And then I'm gonna go get a drink before I restart. There we go. Freezer? Damn, woman. I need to get my Energizer. AW root beer. Some Cheetos for my snack. More. Okay, let's play. Yeah, bitch. Sorry. Yeah, bitch. I've already been this level like 50 fucking times. Yeah! I just beat the second level. I just beat the second level. Alright, let's go next. Yeah, bitch! 3rd level. See what happens? Just need some root beer and some Cheetos. Not the original kind, the crunchy kind. Or spicy Cheetos. Or jalapeno chips.